In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an Instagram link to Google Sites. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open up your Google site, and then from here, you want to go to the Insert tab on here on the top right, and you want to scroll down a bit until you see Social Links. Now, in here, you want to click on Social Links, and this is where you can basically add your Instagram link. So, I'm just going to type in instagram.com like this, but of course, you can put in whatever Instagram link you want. You could also add an image if you wanna, and then just click on Insert, and it's gonna get inserted over here, and automatically it should display an Instagram icon. Okay, now you can actually make this a bit smaller so it's more convenient like this. There we go. And then of course you can go ahead and select what size you want it to be. You can select the shape, if you want it to be square or circle, whatever. You can make it solid or with an outline, up to you. And then you have a bunch of different options regarding colors as well over here in case you want to change this. Okay, now of course you could also edit links if you wanna, but I'm just going to leave this as it is right now. And then you can go ahead and drag and drop this wherever you want it. So for example, I want it just above my name of my site over here, and that's actually going to direct me to Instagram or to whatever link I put in if I go into the preview mode or to the published website. So that's how to edit. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.